Hello everyone. I hope you guys are doing well and you are happy and healthy and finding ways to have fun and entertain yourself during this quarantine. If you're like me, you get bored pretty easily, so my group of classmates and I have come up with a nice game for you to play with your family if you so choose. The game is called Empathy, and what empathy basically means is to be able to share and describe the feelings of someone else. So you have that ability to understand how someone else is feeling in a certain situation. And that's exactly what this game is about. It practices your ability to be able to comfort other people and take care of them during times of need. So essentially, every round there will be what is called a judge. That judge is going to pick one of these 16 scenario cards that we have here for you. So for example, I'm going to read this first one right here. It says, I got a bad grade on a test that I worked really hard for, and someone made fun of me for it. So, if you're the judge, that situation really happened to you, and the group of people that you're playing with is supposed to come up with a reaction to it, however they would react to you as your friend. So that may be saying some kind words or doing something to help you cope with the situation that you're in. Now, after everyone has shared their reaction to your scenario, then you're going to pick, as the judge, your favorite one. Which one would you say you would like the best if you were really in that situation? And the person that you pick wins that scenario card. So you can play up to 16 rounds. We have 16 cards here for you. And the judge will rotate every round. If you would like a more detailed version of the rules here, we have some directions here for you, and you will also be receiving a PDF of the game here, so you can print out the cards, cut them out, and play on your own. So, make sure you guys are staying clean, washing your hands, and I hope you are all doing well and having a safe time here during this pandemic. Take care.